So what happens in a relationship is if you reach a point wherein you've tried absolutely everything and you find that you are still unhappy, the partner is still unhappy, or there's any kind of abuse that is coming in, then maybe it is time to think about taking another step or saying that, okay, it's time to move away from the relationship. The first thing is confide in someone. Talk to someone who you think would be able to guide you, or just talk to someone to vent out your feelings. Do seek professional help. It's very helpful if you talk to a counselor or someone who deals with family services or relationships. They may be able to guide you better. And if both of you need to go in for some counseling, it is definitely something recommended. So we're definitely seeing a lot more divorces happening in India right now as compared to even 20 years ago. And part of it could be that a lot of people are finding it easier to say, you know what, this is not working, let me leave it and move on. And what is happening in the sort of the job sector is what is then being converted into what's happening into the relationship sector. And I think it is important that people realize why they're getting divorced. Getting a divorce is significantly easier at this point. You just need to file up some paperwork and you do get a divorce. But try to understand, is the divorce actually necessary, or is there something that can be done to maintain the relationship? Or is there nothing in the relationship, in which case then a divorce is the way to go. So marriage is building a whole new relationship. It's definitely going to take time. Be patient with yourself. There are going to be times when you didn't like it, you didn't like that, but he should have done it, she should have done that. Give yourself time to go through it. Talk to each other about it. Say you didn't like it. Say, you know what, you could have done it that way. But then give it time for it to happen that way. And if all that happens, then definitely marriages can work out very well.